Hello and welcome to Is It Accessible? Today we're checking out Fast and Furious Supercharged at Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida. I recommend checking out the Universal app as this ride will sometimes have a virtual line so you can choose a ride time and head through the Express Pass line without having to wait. The entire queue is paved and is flat other than the ramps leading up to the ride platform. There will be a bunch of cars from the movies to check out. The music playing can be pretty loud and the bass can thump pretty hard. There'll be some pre-show rooms, and after the second pre-show, the lighting gets slightly lower. Once you reach the platform, you may see signs that you can remain in your wheelchair on this ride. These signs are outdated as that function is no longer available. There are rumors of a redesigned car coming where you can remain in your wheelchair, but as of November 2019, it isn't available. There is a wider row available so you can bring your wheelchair directly up to the car to transfer. There are bench seats and they do not have any restraints. You can hold on to the bar in front of you or grab the cloth handle on the seat to help keep steady. The side of the party bus will fold down before the car takes off. The ride is supposed to take place in a party bus and there are flashing lights in the bus as well as music playing with some loud bass. Once the ride takes off, you'll experience sudden acceleration, tilting and jarring, as well as consistent air hissing and blowing on your face, heat, and some water. I will note that my husband and I couldn't see very well from the middle, so if you're shorter than 6 feet tall, you might want to beg for a seat on the side. You need to be able to independently maintain an upright position, support your torso, neck, and head during the ride, and brace your body with at least one upper extremity. When seated, a leg, either natural or prosthetic, must extend to the edge of your seat. If you're traveling with a service dog, the guide states that the vehicle has minimum to adequate floor space and adequate side barriers for containment, but notes that the vehicle encounters uneven terrain and loud noises. That's it for Fast and Furious Supercharged. There's a link in the description below to the ride's info page. Thanks for watching.